Our Earth wasn't always a blue and green paradise. In fact, it was far from it. Billions of years ago, it was a hot, fiery ball of molten rock, constantly churning and reshaping itself. Volcanoes erupted across the surface, spewing lava and gases into the sky, creating a chaotic and hostile environment. These gases, like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor, formed Earth's first atmosphere, a thick and toxic blanket. It was very different from the air we breathe today, but it was a start. This early atmosphere was crucial for the development of our planet. These early gases came from deep within the Earth, from the molten core and mantle, released through volcanic activity. They were trapped inside the planet when it formed, remnants of the primordial materials that coalesced to create Earth. As the Earth cooled, these gases escaped through volcanoes and spread out to form the first atmosphere, a protective layer that would eventually support life. It was a time of great change, setting the stage for life to appear. The Earth was transforming, preparing itself for the incredible journey ahead. Life arose in these harsh conditions. Tiny microorganisms, called cyanobacteria, developed a remarkable ability for photosynthesis. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food. The waste product of this process was oxygen. Over millions of years, these tiny organisms released enormous amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere. This oxygen was poisonous to most early life forms. However, some organisms adapted to use oxygen. They thrived in this new environment. This marked a turning point in Earth's history, paving the way for the evolution of plants and animals that rely on oxygen to breathe. Today, our planet is a vibrant blue and green. This is due to the presence of liquid water and life itself. Oceans cover a large portion of the Earth's surface. They play a crucial role in regulating our planet's atmosphere and climate. One way they do this is by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Oceans also release oxygen into the air. Tiny plants in the ocean, called phytoplankton, also do photosynthesis. Just like plants on land, they produce oxygen. In fact, phytoplankton are responsible for producing about half of the oxygen we breathe. Oceans are vital for life as we know it. The air that surrounds our planet is not all the same. It is a complex and dynamic system that is essential for life. It is divided into different layers, each with its unique characteristics and functions. These layers work together to create a stable environment for us to live in. The layer closest to the Earth is called the troposphere. This is the layer where we live and breathe. This is where weather happens. All the weather phenomena like rain, snow, and wind occur in this layer, making it the most dynamic part of the atmosphere. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer. The ozone layer is crucial as it protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, which can cause skin cancer and other health issues. Further up, we have the mesosphere, where most meteors burn up, creating shooting stars. This layer acts as a shield, preventing these space rocks from reaching the Earth's surface. Beyond that are the thermosphere and exosphere, where the atmosphere gradually fades into the vacuum of space. These layers are less dense and are where the auroras occur and satellites orbit the Earth. Each layer of the atmosphere plays a crucial role in protecting us and making life on Earth possible. From providing the air we breathe to shielding us from harmful radiation and space debris, our atmosphere is truly a protective blanket. Air is essential for life on Earth. It is the invisible force that sustains us, filling our lungs with the oxygen we need to survive. Every breath we take is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in our environment. From the moment we are born, our first breath marks the beginning of our journey on this planet. We breathe oxygen to survive. This life-giving gas is absorbed by our lungs and transported by our blood to every cell in our body. It fuels our muscles, powers our brains, and keeps our hearts beating. Without it, we would not last more than a few minutes. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. They take in this gas and, with the help of sunlight, convert it into oxygen and glucose. This process not only provides us with the oxygen we need, but also forms the foundation of the food chain, supporting all life on Earth. The air also helps regulate our planet's temperature and protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. The atmosphere acts as a shield, absorbing and reflecting ultraviolet rays that can cause skin cancer and other health issues. It also plays a crucial role in weather patterns and climate, influencing everything from rainfall to wind currents. Without air, our planet would be a very different place, and life as we know it would not exist. Imagine a world without the gentle rustle of leaves in the wind, the songs of birds, or the laughter of children playing outside. It would be a silent, barren, and lifeless place. We must remember that the air we breathe is a precious resource. It is not something we can take for granted. Pollution from factories, cars, and other human activities is contaminating the air, making it harder for us to breathe and causing health problems for millions of people around the world. We must all do our part to protect it from pollution and ensure that future generations can enjoy the same clean air that we do. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing car emissions, and supporting clean energy initiatives can make a big difference. Let us cherish and protect this magical gift that allows us to breathe and thrive on this beautiful planet we call home. Together, we can ensure that the breath of life continues to sustain us and all future generations.